once a week in every neighborhood here in Antalya, but in Istanbul and other cities too. There is a local produce market, which is great place to get fresh fruities and veggies. First tip is to go as early as possible because the best fruits and vegetables will be taken. It is first come, first serve. And we'll share what we learned over the year of living here, how to shop, because in the beginning it can be intimidating. Will they speak English? How will we communicate with people? Will we be ripped off? So this is the market, and as you can see, quite a lot is available. And the first tip is, if there is no price, that means that you can negotiate. And the first price that you will be offered is of course gonna be very high, so there is a room for negotiation. So what about the communication with the farmers, with the sellers at the market? In the beginning we did feel a bit worried. How are we gonna do without speaking any Turkish?
$3.50.
But the need for fresh fruit and vegetables was stronger, and we decided to just go for it. Our neighborhood market is quite a touristy area, which of course makes the prices higher, but also it means that the farmers, the sellers, they are more used to communicating with foreigners. They don't usually speak much English, but they will show you a price on a calculator if needed. But personally, we do recommend learning how to ask for the price and learn how to say the numbers, how to say hello and thank you. It will take you further than if you don't speak Turkish at all. At the market, you can buy not only fruit and vegetables, but you can buy fish, you can buy eggs, you can buy cheese. You can also buy clothes in that market, which I will show you a bit later in the video. There is a variety of nuts and dried fruit, and they are available all year round. We also see they have a variety of spices that you can buy right here. I'm thinking of, this is a mix. All kinds of. This one is interesting.
Something with salt.
Yeah, but it's like different. What do you think? What do we need?
We need tomatoes, cucumbers, some greens. Portocali.
Portocali? What is portocali?
Oranges.
Oranges. Do you come from an orange country?
Yeah.
Oh.
I do. How did you know?
Yeah, you know we're married, right?
I'm married to such a cute.
Yeah.
Lucky me.
Yeah. Oh, the spices. All the spices.
For me, who lived most of my life in Europe, the markets, the prices and which fruits and vegetables are available in Turkey are different. And after seeing this video, you know what is different and what to expect. And if I compare it to Europe, there everything is available during the whole year for a similar price, and everything is imported from different countries, and the quality is during the whole year similar. And here in Turkey, fruits and vegetables are available in the seasons, and the price depends on how much is available in those seasons. So for example, watermelon and oranges are plenty during the summer, but not in the winter. And cucumber and tomatoes are available throughout the year, but the quality in the winter might be less than in the summer. And right now in September we see figs, peaches, oranges, melons, watermelons and grapes. And generally in the summer we see more variety of fruits like cherries, strawberries, all kinds of berries, pears and avocados. Most of the vegetables are available during the year, but the quality and variety are better and more during the summer. And another pro tip, when a certain fruit or vegetable becomes available, the first week or two it will be the most expensive, and after that it will become more available and with that also cheaper.
So what about bargaining and how do you avoid being ripped off? Well, to be honest, we don't really like to bargain and usually we just buy from a farmer that has prices on display.
Ah, it's 50.
But if you do want to buy something that you have to negotiate the price for, you can safely cut the initial offer in half and just go from there. Maybe you can walk around first and see what prices are on display, or for example, go to a supermarket first to get familiar with prices in Turkey. But be prepared that inflation here is very high at the moment and exchange rate is changing quickly. But on my channel, I regularly do videos with updates on current prices, so check those videos out. There are also clothes at the market, and some of them are looking like they are second-hand, and because of that, they are very cheap. Other clothes that you see here, they are often counterfeit brands for affordable price. Of course, you cannot expect genuine brands to be sold on a local market. What kind of money do you need to go to a bazaar like this? At a local market, you need local currency, which is Turkish lira here. Most of the time we pay cash, but some sellers even accept bank cards, which was a surprise to us.
At the market you can buy chicken dinner, which is chicken wrap. It is really good and inexpensive. They prepare the meat with open fire, which is traditional in Turkey. You can choose different sizes and the difference is the amount of meat. And the traditional Turkish way is that they put more meat than vegetables inside compared to the dinner in Europe.
So this is everything that we got at the market, and these are peaches, nice tomatoes, and these oranges. They don't look so cute, but trust me, they are nice and juicy. They are for the juice. And 2 avocados, some cucumbers. It will last us for about 3, maybe 4 days for 2 persons, and we spent about 4 to 5 euros dollars. So yeah, local market is to get more tips and tricks about living in Turkey. For example, where to shop, what Wi-Fi we are using, tips about public transport. Check out this video about our daily life in Antalya, and you can also join my Patreon community. The link will be in the description.